Hey guys. No, that's not it. Hey guys. That's awkward. Hello. My name is Lexi. I know you're used to seeing me and Kamisha here, but today I'm gonna show you guys how I do my hair, my wash and go routine. I'm just gonna show you what I do when I get light, fluffy curls. So, without further ado, let's get Lexual. Maybe that was a little raunchy. Well, I said what I said. As you can see right now, my hair is a dry, tangled mess. So you're going to want to start with some freshly washed and detangled hair. Then I'm going to part my hair down the middle into two sections. I'm going to take one of the sections and braid it so that it's out of the way. Once that is done, I'm going to go in with some ORS Curls Unleashed Shea Butter and Mango Leave-In Conditioner. And I'm going to make sure that I apply that evenly throughout my hair, combing it through with my fingers. Once that's in, I'm going to go in with Cantu's Moisturizing Curl Activator Cream. And again, make sure you comb that through with your fingers, root to tip, making sure that it's in there evenly. Once both of those products are in, I like to comb them through my hair with a feminine brush. This really helps me get some extra definition. Then I section a small piece of my hair off and I put the rest of it up with a clip. Then I take my holy grail of definition, Eco Styler's Argan Oil Gel. I take a pretty decent sized blob of it, rub it through my hands, and comb it through my hair, making sure that it's really getting in there evenly. I like to give a little special attention to the ends, just because this is the part of my hair that likes to frizz the most. I like to use the praying hands method when applying Eco Styler Gel, just because I feel like it defines my hair even more. Oh man, I love a good texture shot. Look at those curls. Yes, poppin'. Anyway, then I continue the process up my entire head, sectioning off a small piece, putting the rest up, applying the Eco Styler Gel. Sometimes I like to comb it through with the feminine brush before I apply the Eco Styler Gel, just for, more and more and more definition. And we can't forget about the praying hands method. More texture. Look at that. Oh my god, this is hair porn. Once one half is finished, it's time to move on to the second half. I like to spritz a little water on this half just in case it dried any while I was doing the first half. Again, go in with the leave-in conditioner, rub it in my hands, comb it through nice and even. And then go in again with the Cantu moisturizer because we gotta seal in that moisture. And then comb it through with the feminine brush once again. Does anybody else get an arm workout while they're detangling their hair? This is me taking a little rest because my arm hurt. Alright, back in, combing through, applying the Eco Styler Gel praying hands method. You know the works. Once again, doing the process up my entire head, I make sure when I'm at the front to pay very special attention to them edges. Gotta lay them baby hairs. Another texture shot. Just look at this. Look at the magic that this feminine brush does. Those curls look amazing. And this is what it looks like once I've finished applying all the Eco Styler Gel. I have some nice defined wet curls. I like to scrunch my curls up just to help them define even more. This is me accidentally showing you guys the back of the bottle because I'm an idiot. Last but certainly not least, I like to go in with Mielle's Mint Almond Oil. This mint almond oil, it feels like it tingles my scalp, like it leaves it feeling so fresh, and it really helps seal in that moisture.
Can't stop, won't stop, get guap. 10 white toes and them Tory flip-flops. Manicures and pedicures, I'm always tip-top. When they say I'm not hot, all these lies need to stop.
Since I hate diffusing, hate diffusing, I will wait for my hair to air dry. Yeah, this could take a while. This is what my hair looks like after a full day of it drying. My curls are nice and bouncy and light and fluffy, and I love it.
Cause I'm icy, wifey, haters wanna fight me. Never been the one get RP up on a whitey. Keep my hands clean, got some hitters moving shicey. Ask me if I'm rolling with some Gucci, bitch, I might be. It's very unlikely, my wrist ain't looking icy. Charging by the minute cause my time is very pricey.
So, this is what my hair looks like after I've let it dry for the entire day. I hate diffusing, it takes too long. My arms are already tired from combing out my hair and it's not something I'm gonna do. My hair will air dry. It is completely dry right now, which I'm surprised because it usually takes hours, like hours. You guys let me know what you thought of this video and if you want me more. If you want me to show you how I style my hair or the actual process of me washing my hair, anything you guys want, I'll give it to you. I'm a generous person. I'll give. I will have all of the products that I use in the description down below. Make sure to like and subscribe and make sure you click that notification bell so you know when we post. Thank you guys so much and have a great day.